Hello YouTube, Brent here. Welcome back to another YouTube training where I share with you the best ways to make money online that are working right now in 2022. Regularly we search the internet and try to find the best offers to promote as an affiliate. This means you don't have to create your own products or your own online courses, neither handle any customer service, shipping, or even creating a website. As an affiliate, your only job is to promote great products that exist already and also get a commission when someone makes a purchase or signs up. But today is a little different because instead of trying to get someone to buy something, you're actually going to make money by giving it away. Now, how is that possible? I'll explain in a minute. But before we dive in, go ahead and smash that like button. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button as well so you'll never miss another video. I'm also a big fan of the comment section. I enjoy hearing what you have to say about affiliate marketing and even base my own videos in the comments there. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. We're going to become an affiliate for Chase Banking. Why? Because Chase is running an offer right now that if you refer somebody to open a checking account, Chase will give them $100 as a sign-up bonus. And also they'll give you $50 for the referral. So you're literally just getting someone to claim $100 for free, and you're getting paid by Chase to do it. Now Chase isn't the only one. They're just one example, but companies like Discover, Bank of America, Wells Fargo are all offering similar programs. You just need to Google them and see what their current offer is. But for now, we'll keep using Chase as an example. Now that we picked our offer, how are we going to get people to sign up? Now that's in the next step. So step number 2, we're going to build an affiliate funnel. Now I use a software called ClickFunnels, which allows us to quickly build these affiliate funnels out. Here's a breakdown of how affiliate funnels work. Typically, there's 2 parts. In the first part, we have a landing page where you can invite somebody to give their email address in exchange for a free gift that you'll either create or find by yourself. Second, you're going to build a thank you page which gives them the gift or the training that was promised, and you'll include a place where you can put your affiliate link so that when someone clicks on the affiliate button and makes a purchase, you get commissions on the sale. You'll see why gathering email addresses and building a list is so important, but for now, just know that this page is designed and optimized to build your email list. Now, since the offer we're promoting is a checking account, this offer could be a PDF guide or video training on how to get started in email marketing. And again, you don't have to be an expert or even create this yourself. You can just go on Fiverr and have somebody else put it together for you. Or send a link to a YouTube video you found that could be super helpful for them. And that's what we did in this particular funnel. Now let's take a look at an example of an opt-in page that you could use for an offer like this. This opt-in page is very simple, and that's intentional. When you create a landing page like this, you want to be laser focused on the goal, which is getting their email address. So you don't need a ton of photos or blinding colors to stand out. Just some simple text, clearly identifying why someone should be signing up, and a large area to actually collect the email address. Now let's take a look at an example of a thank you page. This link to a YouTube page is also very simple. It shows a training that the new subscriber signed up for, plus a button to visit our affiliate offer, which is to sign up for a free Chase account. This sales funnel is something that you can create in a matter of an hour or less, meaning that you can take your business and move incredibly fast. Now that we have an offer and we have an affiliate funnel built, it's time to move to step 3, and that is following up with email. This is one of the most important steps. Email marketing, you gotta follow up with email. The old method of affiliate marketing was simply finding a product, sending traffic, getting a commission, and heading on your merry way. This was a one and done deal. Let's look at our checking account offer, for example. The old method is to send traffic to your affiliate link for the free checking account and collecting a commission as someone signs up. But this really isn't a business. This is basically you just acting as a marketing agent. But to build a long-term valuable business, you need assets. And what's the most valuable asset that you can own now? Your email list. So now that you're using a sales funnel like the one I showed you, you're not only collecting commissions, but you're also gathering email subscribers. Without an email list, it's hard to make multiple commissions and see the success you want. If you take nothing else away from this video, here's what I want you to know. You need an email list to make multiple commissions, and this goes for any niche. This is vital for your long-term massive success. One of the things that helped me learn the affiliate marketing process is partnering with a digital marketing expert who's been through many challenges and built a successful online business. The specific program I recommend to everybody is called Partner with Anthony, or PWA, created by Anthony Morrison. In this program, Anthony will walk you through how to set up a sales funnel and also set up an email marketing system. The focus of this program is to build an email list, the core concept which we talked about earlier, and also creating a way to earn multiple commissions from the same customer, which is what we refer as recurring revenue. Now, my belief is that affiliate marketers need recurring revenue streams to scale their business. The PWA program has multiple income offer opportunities. It's a one-stop shop to an entire ecosystem. When you send traffic to it, it takes over and generates multiple commissions for you. The best part is that people like you and me get to partner with Anthony himself. He's the spokesperson, he's the sales guy, he pitches and sells his own products, and we get the commissions. That means no selling on our part. So if this piques your interest and you feel like it'll help your business to partner with Anthony yourself, he's the guy, he's going to be taking care of everything. So go ahead and click on the link in the description to learn more. It'll take just a few minutes to check it out. My goal is that you'll at least learn something that can help your business. Again, the link is in the description below. Click it and check it out. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me until the end. If I've provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that are working today, check out this video. I've linked in either the card above or in the end screen. I'd also like to know if you've already tried a salary supplementing side hustle. What strategies are you using? What niche are you in? Write a little something below. I'd love to start a friendly conversation with you. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.